The Lexus LS500 Sport is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and precision engineering, setting a new standard for high-end sedans. With its bold and aggressive stance, this flagship model exudes confidence on the road. The low-slung body, sculpted lines, and coupe-like silhouette create a dynamic presence, making it stand out in the luxury segment. The F-Sport trim adds an extra layer of athleticism, enhancing both aesthetics and performance, making it the ideal choice for those who seek a thrilling yet refined driving experience. At the front, the Lexus LS500 Sport features an oversized spindle grille with a unique mesh pattern, giving it an unmistakable road presence. The redesigned front bumper incorporates larger air intakes for improved aerodynamics and cooling. The sharp, triple-beam LED headlights with signature L-shaped daytime running lights not only enhance visibility but also give the LS500 Sport an aggressive and futuristic look. The elongated hood and flowing character lines further emphasize the car's sporty yet elegant design, making it clear that this is no ordinary luxury sedan. Moving to the rear, the back bumper and taillights are designed to complement the aggressive front fascia. The sleek, full-width LED taillights create a striking visual signature, ensuring the LS500 Sport is instantly recognizable from any angle. The sporty rear diffuser and dual exhaust outlets emphasize its performance-oriented DNA, while the sculpted bumper enhances the aerodynamics, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride. Every detail at the rear reflects Lexus' commitment to craftsmanship and innovation. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that blends luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. The sport-inspired seats provide maximum support, wrapped in premium perforated leather with contrast stitching. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with a Mark Levinson premium audio system delivers an immersive experience, while ambient lighting and handcrafted wood or aluminum trim add to the refined atmosphere. The fully digital instrument cluster, head-up display, and intuitive touch controls ensure that the driver is always in command, making every journey effortless and enjoyable. Under the hood, the Lexus LS500 Sport is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, producing 416 horsepower and 442 lb-ft of torque. Mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, it delivers seamless acceleration and exhilarating performance. The rear-wheel drive setup comes standard, with all-wheel drive available for enhanced traction. The adaptive variable suspension and rear-wheel steering ensure precise handling and an incredibly smooth ride, making it equally impressive on twisty roads and long highway stretches. The wheels of the LS500 Sport play a crucial role in both aesthetics and performance.